Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Scooch phone case customizer. You want to start by selecting which phone you have from the variants button, like this. Once you have selected your phone, you can start customizing. Let's start with the upload image button. Here you can upload your images from your phone into the customizer. Once your image is inside the customizer, you can use the red dots around the outside to resize and rotate your image. If you want to delete your image, click the trash can button underneath your image. If you don't have any specific images from your phone that you want to upload, we have a clip art library with hundreds of pre-made images for you to use. You're even able to add multiple images from the clip art into the customizer the same way as regular images. You're also able to add text to the customizer. There are multiple different fonts you can choose from. You're able to edit the color of the text if you click the edit button after selecting the text. After you're all done editing your case to your liking, you can tap the preview button to see what your case will look like after it's printed. Please note that any parts that are left blank or transparent on the case will be printed in white, so make sure your design covers the entire case, like this. Once you're done with your case and ready to order, tap the Order Now button and check out. Please understand that we can't print any phone cases that have copyrighted material on them. That means no Harry Potter images, no Spider-Man images, only pictures of your family, dog, and other things that you create. We hope you love your custom case.